Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I first. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make it grow the platform. You see it, you don't know. We are talking about scamming. See, you notice the politicians them coming at the media and them say over 1 billion US a year are coming at Jamaica through scamming and illegal firearm trade. See, now, something significant, most significant thing about that statement there is that's them left off ganja and drugs. You know, you hear nothing about them thing there, they nah sell from Jamaica again. Which probably would be, you know, a subject for a different topic. One of them there show the correlation. You know, see, it's because you beat down ganja and you fight down the you know, the movement certain way. And something else, take farm. You know, see it, so, you know, see it, another spirit, another nature just take farm and operate and apply itself. See, now there's a whole heap of facets to this new happenings, you know. Not really new, seen, but you see, economically, the population of Jamaica, the social aspect of Jamaica would have deteriorated to nothing, to non-existence today. If it was allowed by the standard with the government develop them thing, if it was allowed for if it did up to them, if it did up to for them standard measures, pace with which them are dealing with things, them would have more, without scamming, them would have more success with the diminishment of the culture with the way it go. You know, see, even though the scamming contribute to it too, but them would have you know, be more brutal and influential. You know, see, that instrumental. Well, them can't be more instrumental, them can't, you know, see, them I use everything what them have at them disposal. You know, see, but, you know, them would have, people, them would have more focus on where them must say and follow them rules and regulations more. You see, but over time from in the 80s it was recognized. Say, if it wasn't for the remittance money where come from abroad, come in at Jamaica, the people would have starved already. Believe you me, them did say during the 80s the national economy couldn't have managed to keep Jamaica afloat. Jamaica would be like 80. You know, once it touch certain, you know, downfall, it's like there's no coming back for them countries. It's like the big country them across the world enjoy or benefit. No, it's like the big country them benefit when small countries and other countries in a chaos. It has to be, even when we can't explain the logics, it has to be, because it would be less expensive to prevent and stop wars from happening. According to how we see war happen these days, after centuries, Rasta, less than to actually fight the war, you know, see it, yeah. And poor people taxpayer money we should have going at the interest and the benefit of the development, and them people are gone out so gonna fight war and further stagnate. Set them way back. You understand? Yet people accept it and, you know, deal with it and yeah. See? Yes, I. Poor people development that. And people sit down and watch it. Pursue some other guy, sick, twisted dream, which is their nightmare. You know, see it. And always gonna be a nightmare, and people still sit down and love it. But yeah, them did say the remittance and them type of money there, you know, underhanded money, like particular things the man do a foreign and thing and sending money. Them say them type of thing that keep poor people alive until now. Strong possibility is that the scamming money, where they must say $1 billion going to Jamaica a year, you know, it does turn over and spin over in the economy as well. You know, see, I now embrace it and say it's a good thing. This is not an endorsement of any scamming. Now, is it a condemnation? I allow people business, make them do them thing and leave it to law enforcement. This is our platform where, you know, we discuss topical issues and see how we could get around it in a different way. Let's see it now more peaceful and yeah. See, so they always said that without this type of money coming in at Jamaica, you're always gonna have, Jamaica is on the tipping point of poverty. You see it already there, but for when I say abject poverty, you know, see it. So again, you don't know what we're gonna say. What can we say? And how now you expect poor people who benefit mainly from who for them economy and for them community kind of have a better life, you know? How can we really condemn them people? And you know me I say, how we do this, how this work. See, then again, there is no example up at the top where the leaders them there and they guide them in a power way and manipulate how society function. You know, see, like me I said, being an example, call look upon it. Pernell Charles, Richard Lake, and them big rich guy there. You have only for other guy and a skullduggery in the island. But we don't know where them come from. You know, see, them not have no. We don't know them until them come in at the island. And when look at most of them not come from the island. You know, see, and them not look so. You don't know nothing about them family connection where them used to work, where them go to school. You don't know nothing about them guy Rasta. And them in some very powerful position on the island. You know, see, you don't have no clear transparency regarding the people them who are, you know, function, who make the thing function, Rasta, and them people are prominent and powerful and do what them want to do. You know, see? So there's not much of an example up at the top for the youth, them and the people them doing as a follow. You know, see, that's why I condemn the youth, them when the youth them not get no discipline, nobody no set no standard. Or I do that. Only thing I condemn is the waste of money. You know, see, because watch I know. Here all the politicians them scam we. See? The employee them in the tax office take a bribe. You know, see it? And audit which and which land they abandon and not paying the tax. For instance, somebody, you know, left Jamaica from in the 40s, 50s, come abroad, or even 80s. You know, see it? And you know, Jamaica left Jamaica from in the 40s. And them way up on a wide scale. You know, see, prominent people with them all them business too. And you left your land there and whatever circumstance you're not paying a tax abroad and thing. Even when you have a relative, you're not paying a tax to the land down there, no land tax. Yeah, what them say now is after what happens is that people can and are usually poor people. Now what poor people usually do is go settle upon them land there. See, and after them dep on the land for I think it's of a period of 7 years, them start pay tax. Them can start pay tax to the land. See, and after them pay tax for 10 years, them can assume ownership of the land legally. See, now what happens is now our politicians them have the people them working at tax office scope out them land here and sell them back the information. You know, see, and them now start pay off the tax to them land secretly and the secret and the sites. Now, them not fit the criteria, the people them we can do that, you know. We are allowed to do that, you know. Because if that was the case, any big rich man, you know, could have do that and tear down and thief and take any amount of land you want to take, Rasta. You know, see? So people abroad, this is what's going on with the politicians them at Jamaica. Them a bribe the worker them were working at the tax office them and make them sell them the plan, sell them the location for the land, how long they abroad, how long the land abandoned and them sort of thing, and them secretly start paying the tax. You know, see? And then after a certain period, them claims the land for themselves. No, because nobody not there if you ask who claims the land, who have it and rate it. It's just invisible. You don't even know when the ownership switch. Because you didn't know say all Mary Jane them. You couldn't even know how for land. Because your band come see it and never see nobody a mole run it. You know, see, people could all farm it up or whatever. All of a sudden them say bulldozer come and tractor. It have an owner. You know, see, this is how them acquire these lands. These rich guys and these politicians in Jamaica Rasta. Corrupt. You know, see, it's one of the biggest scamming we are going. See the said guy, Richard Lake, he say him bill pan government land, think I could have did thief it, and him have to run off of it because they must see, you know, see, them carry him got court and a whole heap of corruption go on. But this is how them guys get richer and richer and richer. Pan the back of poor people in a struggling economy where not there much. And we politicians them facilitate them type of guy have to do them thing. And allow them to do it. Knowing something where them do is unethical. You know, see, our corrupt politicians them allow them youth, them man, they do them thing they daily. And then a ball pan the youth them know we are scam abroad. And I say them is a shame and a disgrace to the nation. How that work? How that work? No, you have to be an example, you know, of a different standard before you can criticize a man's standard. You cannot do the same thing, and because you see, ghetto youth start, your son stay all the while. Phone style. But I wonder how you can't abandon it. Because usually when ghetto people adapt one on the style, you know, you just abandon it and move to a more expensive one. You see, but I wonder you can't abandon. Too much benefit in it. So we wanna try to know, we criminalize the ghetto youths them like this is unknown to Jamaica. Nobody never see this before. Where this come from? You know, see, a long time when I scam, I want to teach the youth them how to scam Rasta. You know, see, you come with a fat tongue now. I criticize a thing. You always do not run left the game and go find a different game then. Because ghetto people start do it now. You know, see, if the example and the standard not there, the city go and perish Rasta. Blind can't lead blind. You know, see, I just saw it go. You know, see, Rasta, one thing I pity with the youth them is that the youth them. You use some of the money there and buy out some of them land and see them way where them boy are thief privately because you're not going to have more, control. You're not going to have more ability because you're not local, you know what and so now bust the scam. Because if you see a piece of land, you want to do that with, and you go down there and find say in a guy name already. And that's now a dirty boy will come in on a life. Come infiltrate the system. And a thief when can thief privately and no him stay so. And you know say, and that's how I know see that guy there. And that's why that guy come around because that's why that are the ulterior motive all along. And the land them him want. You know see, and that's how I know a guy is not there in representation of the item interest Rasta. The guy look something for thief, all of them. See Philip Paul, I know him hate me no bumbo, if never manage to see none of them video or nothing. Them man they live in a Rockfort East Kingston for 30 odd years. And Gunboat Beach out there abandoned and look like a derelict rubbish Rasta in a constituency. And there is no beach in a Kingston. No beach in a Kingston. Hence they are sent catching. You see, gunboat are the only beach in a Kingston, Rasta. Only beach in a Kingston, it should be a national treasure or a national intent. Philip Palwell just what this Rasta. The man they don't have no love for the community because it's a safe seat. Warwick Isle should have patched out already. Platted out. Me thought the higher interior of Warwick Isle, a farming area, it should have platted out already. And East people have peace and grow ganja. You see, but them guys are thief, them want thief it privately for themselves. Rasta. And where them can do with it and where no, a vampire them yeah. No, a vampire them the Rasta. It's proven and them guys know. Every night them guys them bed and grin them fang and laugh at them success. You know, see, every night. Before them God, before them sleep. When we are praying and ask God for give you a better day. Thank you for protecting we through the day. And all them things I hope you do it again tomorrow. Them guys they are sharp, them fang. How successful they were today. With the amount of gallons of blood where them consume Rasta. No, hey, furthermore, if we want to consider disrespect, I saw the truth always offend. You know, see it? Yeah, I want that. And I saw him deal with we, Rasta. And I saw we are dealing with him. Whether some guy like it or not. You know, see? You know, see? The truth always up cause offense. In a business. You know, see, Rasta? Call the youth them scammer when the biggest scamming ever. I don't know do it sneakingly. The youth them for use some of them scamming money there and pay some private investigator to start investigate and expose some of them, no. Send all no business come to a youth like me when I'm afraid to talk it. You know, see it? I make we expose some of them and bring it down. Send them to a prison. Shame no. Name no and shame no. Rasta. And that we there for. That are the task. Sweep out and clean out some power-based guy way in our system. I strangle it. Just a hold we down and a suck up blood and laugh in our face and a smile like so we are my friend. Ever so often, every 4 years you see them come round and them know everything about everyone are we. You wonder where them the rest of you, oh, the whole on there. You don't see it. You know me. You don't see it, Rasta. You know. I just saw it go. You know, see, if you have some children and you grow them without discipline, them will grow up come turn vagrants. Big up yourself in the January. I hope the man alright. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. I miss the new man. Big up yourself too. Enough respect. Yeah. Graham. You don't know family. Stig Sire and the whole of the island. You don't know mad love and respect. Mark Springer. You know, and I give thanks to the eye support for keep this thing going and it is what it is today, you know, and continue to thriving. One of the only man I can say consistently for him support every which way. You know, see. Yes. Yeah, man. You know, see. And so that's okay and there call out politicians and care who them is. And a business that boy can know. All along my life, you know. You know, see. All along my life, I'm still the trend that continue. Enough get to youth life now all along same way. You know how much simple opportunity that they want to could have offer Rasta and create a changes. You never did have it. And I like say it will benefit everybody and the big budget I go spend, you know. And 1 and 2 youth there with the qualities for really, you know, me I say, grasp certain things. I only for you, cause again, you know, they even have when I expect them to have grassroots and create abilities, which is the case in bigger countries like England and America. But you have certain youth who already have the existing abilities, just only need a tap up, need a little influence. Not even them effort there, our politicians, them, and it them can't afford it. Mr. Coding I give every free boy, pan internet. Our politicians, them are jankro. And I call the youth them scammer. When the youth them for the dead for hungry, I only see them and I did them in either, you know. And never them tell we say, I never them tell we in the 80s say, if I know remittance, we dead for hungry. I never them tell we, you know, that them they have it as secret and I act like say them I do nothing like I them around the country, you know. See I got PJ manly the whole of them. Well, PJ come late. Michael Manley come after still and try to square up things. Me now tell a lie for a little bit. You know, see, yeah, and try to square up things as honest as possible. But see, I got there, I run up and down like a big loggerhead bud. Like, him I do nothing, him anything with him I do. I enable just, me say, and the USA come and publish, do them piece and publish it and say, oh, a Western Union as such and such a money make Jamaica. Them can't believe. Oh, when I dead for hungry and when them do them investigation, them look and say, oh, you see it. And tell you the truth, 90% of them money that we are send to certain nefarious actions of foreign. We not call a name, but you know our. You see, you see, man like China man keep the whole a big piece of the geography. So at them little thing that we are talking about, and the USA come publish that so that we can know. You see it? Our politicians them down there and twiddle them finger and watch destruction and not have it out of them control. You see, nothing with them can do. Could have did do. Would have did stop that. Rasta. You see. So the same thing come again now, where some guy attack shamelessly, like them have some kind of, you know, thing set up where the youth them can gravitate to and feed off. And they don't want a phone agenda for I and I just down there and dead for hungry Rasta. You know see, Orius Chang, me say, Orius Chang, you're one of the biggest, most dirty, corrupt politician and you make Mobi stay so, Orius Chang. Minister of Security and your parish I move so and you come now talk with condemnation regarding I tell you so that me never know who's for the conceited starter. The conceitedness I gotta stop with the eye them Rasta. You see it? You see it? All the youth them need to gauge up them ways and invest right and spin over that. That's no matter where them go, if them get catch and come back with a standard set where a man can, you know me I say, still come back and live better than when they live before him start him life of crime, Rasta. It's the whole intent. You see it? The whole intent, stop hurt one another and draw down crosses for themselves. Because now I run blood with the money. And I done blood money already. It's like crosses attract crosses. And the item if you know that I'm trying to tell you them all the while. Find abandoned soul. Find somebody where I struggle. It's cheap. Hey, let me tell you something. It's if you buy a madman a box food, that alone is a year worth of cleanliness. Half of your soul. A year. What a cleanliness. I mean, I tell you about you broke and not have nothing for yourself, you know, want a box food for yourself too, and then you buy a madman a box food and chill one side and think say $10,000 go drop in there. You know, you know them illusion there in a Rasta. You know, see it? We attack say, you do something out of the goodness of your heart where it can't affect you in no way. You know, see it? You never have to do it. Nobody not force you to do it. But just them, you do them things and they make other people's life better. Them they better than any gathering, Rasta. You know, see it? This gathering and this hobby are working together. I never go out. Oh, the hobby man should have richer than Uno Rasta. Oh, can a hobby man they are wait for people? If hobby man did real Rasta time, wouldn't need to work the hobby for nobody, to make money. I would not do it, he would just do it for free, as a favor, as a community service Rasta. Come on! It not add up. If that guy had the good Rasta, you should just carry your money, come give him and gone. You know, people, when you go there as a line, you should stand up, you know. I wait for give me money and go away. Whole heap of people there line up to. I wait for reach him and just hand him them money and gone. Because slim power good enough to draw you in no matter where they are. As you done work, you just come give me a pay and gone back and work. Yeah. Why not, Rasta? Because the thing them way the item I depend upon Obia man for is more difficult or more impossible than that. Than getting somebody to bring them pay come. Because no one Obia man go wake dead and bring back all the dopey, the spirit. No. A man, if you can manipulate a spirit where him not know, a man a friend, no connection whatsoever. And the spirit over there saying, the spirit world in a rasta. So them over there so admire we and watch we and a slave to we, wish them was we and can come back, come be we. Eh? You look at the eye them go over there already and know what over there is like, and this a hope a man bring back one of the eye them. So the eye them know say a whole heap of the eye them left back over there where want come over. I never see nothing like this. Anyway, I give thanks and I hope I make sense. Share, like, and subscribe in a Rastafari name.